I'm Dave Stonehouse, founder of the British Columbia School of Log Building. This is going to be great. You're going to get so much satisfaction and reward out of building your own shelter. In the course, you'll learn how to efficiently and properly lay out and cut half dovetail notches. You'll learn how the individual logs come together to work as a structure as a whole. We cover the particulars from the first half round of logs right up to the ridge beam and everything in between. We've developed a very usable, repeatable, step-by-step process that we follow for the layout and fitting of every log. So it's one of those situations where the more you do it, it sinks into your memory and the steps become second nature, and it becomes a very natural process and a rewarding process. One of the reasons that I really love teaching the craft of log building is I think that log construction is best suited to an owner build model, for the simple reason that a log building is low on material costs but very high on labor costs. So if a student is willing to learn and then put in the time to construct their own log house, it becomes a very viable and economic option. I've built countless log buildings and I'm excited to help you build yours. Let's go get started.